So one day I'm just over here in my neighbor's driveway, spinning around on the ice. Yeah, and then I decide, hey, I'm gonna go in the backyard. You know? But then I find deer tracks. Now I'm determined to find this deer and figure out why they are coming so close to civilization. Let's follow the trails. So if we follow it over to here, see many footprints of deer, and we have some deer crap. We have found a watering hole. These look a little big for a cat, if I do say myself. Maybe a deer. Those are cat trails. Definitely cat over here. I wonder if the cats have ever come in face to face with the deer. This is a question the world may never know. Oh, Kitty! 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 Kitty, I need, it's TMZ, I need to ask you a question. Oh, you answer this time. Have you seen a deer walking around this yard? 1 meow for yes, 2 for no. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's see how close the deer really come to civilization. Deer tracks in my own backyard? Oh my. More deer tracks. Now, we have more cat trails. Let's examine the gopher hole. See if he has been out at all this year. Last year, he was very lively. I think he's moved on to a new place. He's not in there. Maybe he left. Maybe the deer ate him. Are deers eating gophers now? Deers are eating woodchucks? Groundhogs? We're not safe with this deer around. I am determined to find him. Update. Now I'm trying to find a place to spend the night and set up a camera to see if we can catch the deer in action. Alright. I think this may be a good spot over here to set up camp. Oh! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I'm glad I got that on video. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm soaking wet. I gotta get out of here. Oh my god. I'm just glad I didn't get my phone in there. Oh, this will be continued. And I am determined to find this deer. And hopefully tomorrow we'll find him. Until then. Hello, I'm back again. It's a new day, and today I will hopefully find this monster deer. So, I successfully set up a fort, and I'm going to set a camera there and hopefully catch this deer. So, we have successfully made it over to my fort. Unlike yesterday, which wasn't as successful as it is today. We took a different route this time, and it worked out. So, I'm going to sit over here. Wait, I think the cameras have picked up something. Oh my gosh, we caught the deer! Wait, this is not a deer. This is worse than I thought. It's a moose! This is horrible. He's gonna kill us all. No wonder he ate the gophers. I better go get him. Look at these skulls. I'm a savage. I eat woodchucks, 'cause I'm a deer.